to another abstract tutorial. Today I'm going to do a triptych, so it's going to be 3 pieces together, and let's see what we got. I have dark in my mind, so I'm going to use my pianist gray. Right, so this is fluid acrylic from Golden. I'm just going to come just a little bit over here and then finish over here. I'm going to use my spatula. So my canvases, I already did some of my texture with some modeling paste. Alright, this is good. I'm going to use some of my white. I'm gonna mix it. Hopefully this tutorial is easier for those who found my previous to be a little bit too difficult. Literally what I'm doing right now is just applying paint. I have an idea in my mind today, but that idea can switch very quick in a heartbeat. Now I'm just using water, okay? Very simple. I want my paint to be flowy, and I'm going to move the paint with my brush, okay? Using that white that I used before. Alright, so that's pretty good. Now I'm going to use a spatula from Home Depot, and I'm going to scrape the paint in different directions. And again, I don't know what is the plan. I'm going to use the same fluid golden brown. Okay. I'm gonna use my white. Honestly guys, this couldn't be as simple as it is right now, because it is very, very simple. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix the white with the brown. It's burnt sienna from Golden. And I'm just going to blend the burnt sienna and the white. I'm going to move things around just like I normally do. Nothing is different. So I'm going to get more of my white. I'm going to apply it here. Alright, so I use alcohol ink copper and I add it, and then I use my spatula to move it a little bit. Okay, alright, so this is the alcohol ink copper. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm using a needle nose, and then I'm gonna move it with my spatula because I want it to do, you know, nice stuff. Let's just do this way. So alcohol ink dries pretty fast, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come right back. I love this very much. It's dry enough for me. You know, guys, I hate the weight, so I'm gonna use my unbleached titanium, and I'm just gonna go over here and also here and here. It's my small spatula, and I'm just gonna make this beautiful bleach. I'm just gonna spread it. Alright, same as this one. I don't know if you guys notice, I'm moving the spatula up and down because again, we're gonna be doing a lot of layers. Alright, so I'm gonna get it down a little bit because I kind of like how it gets on my texture. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna do the same over here and the same over here. Let's just play around a little bit with my soft pastel, just to create something cool. And again, guys, every time you use soft pastel, you need to seal it before keep working. Otherwise, it's gonna blend and it's not gonna get you the color that you are looking for. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I use to seal my pastel before I keep working. Okay, I just bring in the pastel. Instead of like using it this way, I just put it sideways, so that way I get different effects. I am using Karma varnish, so this is the perfect and the best in the world sealer for alcohol inks. You want to make sure that you are in a well ventilated area. Okay, so my black charcoal, I don't really care if it bleeds. I kind of like when my black charcoal bleeds, so I think it's going to be cool. I'm just doing some highlights. Use the charcoal, remember it's going to mix. I'm going to go over. And now I'm going to use my white. I'm just going to soft my unbleached titanium just a little bit. Let me just get this over here. I'm going to do the same here. dark peony, and I'm gonna come and put it over here, and then over here coming this way, and then I want to just have that down here. Okay, so right now it's just being wild. Like I'm not thinking what's gonna happen, just moving my palette knife, okay, and see where it takes me. Alright, so I'm gonna use a little bit of white because I don't want too much of this one like this in here. Yeah, I just want it to be a little bit darker over here. Perfect. And then I'm going to get over here. Okay. That's better. A little bit less darker. I like it. I'm going to do the same on this side here. I love what the spatula does, just give you beautiful marks. Marks that, you know, it makes your painting look awesome. And then you can play around with your marks up and down here. The textures on this painting right now, guys, is amazing. I love it. I'm going to spray water where my blue is. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit with white. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it up here because I want it to look kind of a smoky look, kind of. Ah, that's nice. Ooh, love it. And then I come over here with this. I'm gonna put a little bit more of white over here. Coming this way, and then over here, and then I'm going to do the same on this side here. This is my paper towel. Alright, so now I'm going to switch my paper towel, and I'm going to keep moving my white all the way up, just with the paper towel. Okay, I'm going to do the same over here. I love how paper towel will give you like different textures and looks instead of like the brush. Alright, so now we are talking. This is what I want. I want to make sure that my composition focus on the darker areas, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna let it dry and we're gonna come back to do more work. Right now I'm loving how it looks like. Okay, a little bit softer here and there. Alright, I'm just gonna add some gold foils because I think it's gonna look super cute. Coming with my spatula and white, and I want to do some kind of like movement. Just keeping the lines clean. I'm gonna do the same over here. That one already has it. Okay, let's try to keep these guys here together. So we can cross. Alright, so I think it's looking fabulous. You can use it single looks beautiful as well. You can have the three of them together, but I think alone looks beautiful as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope this video was easier than my previous tutorial. So leave a comment if you like this one, and I will see you on my next one. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, you know what to do. I love to upload videos every weekend, every week. So bye for now.